Okay.
What do you have?
Ice.
Where did the ice come from?
Outside.
Outside?
Yeah.
Where did it come from before it was outside?
The rain.
The rain? What is it called though?
Ice.
Hail.
Hail.
Good. And
Wait.
what's that?
A leaf.
It's a leaf. What are you going to do with it?
Throw it away.
Throw it away? Okay.
Cause it can't belong in there. Wait, it's a little thing.
So how did you get the hail into the pan?
I just grabbed it.
And you put it in the pan?
Yeah.
Was it a lot of hail or just a little bit?
A lot of hail.
It was a lot of hail. What did the what was that noise that you heard?
A tornado.
Thunder.
Tornado.
And what did it sound like?
It sounds like that's the tornado.
There's thunder going on right now?
Yeah.
That's outside.
Yeah, and it's shiny and stuff. Give me the $5.
What does the ice feel like?
Hard?
It's hard. Does it melt in your hand?
Yeah, watch. Whatever, watch. Turn off the TV.
Turn off the TV.
Yes.
Why?
And then we can turn it back on.
No. Why? No. Come here.
Because I don't want it to make loud noise.
Okay. So tell me something about the ice. What did you learn about the rain?
It's moving and it's really soft and cold.
The rain? What did you learn about hail? I'm sorry.
It's cold and stuff.
What comes down when it hails?
Rain.
A rain comes down when it hails?
No, tornadoes.
The thunder is the noise that it makes, but what comes down to the ground when it hails?
Ice.
Ice. Can you show them a piece of ice? All right.
That's the tornado.
That's the thunder?
Tornado. I don't know what it is, but I keep saying that.
Cool. All right. Say bye, Thea.
Bye.